Hey y'all, come on in. The next few videos after Thanksgiving, I'm sharing with y'all ways to use up that leftover turkey. Because sometimes just reheating it, it's just kind of blah. I started with a minestrone soup and it was incredible. Make sure, and it's easy, so make sure you get a hold of that very first leftover turkey recipe. And the second recipe I'm gonna share with y'all is a Monte Cristo. Now this really brings back memories because I used to make as a special in the Best Western so many years ago. We were there from 1991 to 96 when we got our location downtown opened. But the restaurant was just called The Lady then. And we still ran the Bag Lady, but it was two separate names. So people really enjoyed my version of a Monte Cristo back then. So I want to share with y'all what I'm fixing to do. Now, I have trouble following my own recipes. So if you look this recipe up, you ain't gonna see mayonnaise nowhere. But, I just like the idea of a little mayonnaise being on that bread to help everything stick together. This is mayonnaise, not butter, y'all. The butter is coming though. The butter is a coming. So this will just kind of give everything, all of our ingredients, something to hang on to. Because we're gonna be putting fontina cheese next, like 2 tablespoons on each slice of bread. And I sure do love fontina. But you know what? If you don't like it, you don't have to use fontina. You use your favorite cheese. Because recipes are just a list of ingredients that you can change. That's it. Okay. So the next thing is 2 slices of turkey. And I think that I am going to find a knife and cut this long ways. Okay. That looks like really good. This is gonna be a big sandwich, y'all. So I hope you got a big mouth to bite into it. Now I prefer, for turkey sandwiches, I really prefer using the white meat, but I also love the dark meat. Love, love, love the dark meat. So you can make it with whatever you like. All right.
Does the one at the very end not get anything?
What about this turkey right here? We was about to miss this turkey. Look at that. I sliced that turkey just right, didn't I? I measured it just enough. Okay, I'm gonna start pressing those down now. And then I'm gonna add, it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons, but I'm gonna do like 1 heaping. This is gonna be really good, y'all. A fun way to use up that leftover turkey. And certainly different from, just making a plain old sandwich.
And your cranberry relish.
Yes, and your cranberry relish is so, so good on it. All right. Now the next thing we're gonna put on is some arugula. Gotta have some vegetables in all this stuff. Okay. All right, and then the last thing is a little more cheese. I'm just making 2 sandwiches, y'all, because they're huge. All right. And I forgot to talk about the bread. Now you want to get down on it, honey. Look at that. My cranberry sauce is coming everywhere. All right, you really want to mash it good. Now, I didn't talk to you about the bread. You can use any kind of nice soft bread. We are using a potato bread for ours, but you can use, what is that?
Challah.
Challah. Yeah, I can't ever get that name square in my head. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is mix together our eggs, milk, and a little touch of nutmeg, which I had already put into the milk. So we're just gonna beat that up real good. And I've got our skillet over here heating up. And I'm gonna drop a little butter in it. Now you're probably gonna wind up having to add more butter because the sandwich has to have something to actually fry in. And so it's gonna need that butter. All right, I've mashed these down about as much as I could go. And we're gonna just dip those in the egg. Our egg and milk bath. Okay. I think I'll just do like this to make sure it soaks up all that good meat. Milk. Make sure that sandwich soaks up all that good egg mixture. Okay. We're gonna have to turn up our stove just a little bit. So now remember, everything is done in our sandwich. So it's not gonna require a whole bunch of cooking, but we do want it pretty and brown. Now when I used to make these at the Best Western, I would put them down in the deep fryer. Oh my gosh, that worked so good, y'all. So good. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up a minute because I've actually kind of made a mess. Y'all. Teresa's actually shooting this video for us, y'all. And look how beautiful those are. And you see the way I'm tilting my pan around because I want all the egg, to get cooked that's on the side of it, like on the side of the toast. So Teresa, I think let's see what this other side looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Look at that. That sandwich weighs a pound. I know it weighs at least a pound. So is your family gonna go bananas when they see this sandwich? That is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Now I just need a knife to be able to cut into it. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I
Whoa.
can smell it.
I know. Look at that, y'all. And look, look, look. Now, some people would take powdered sugar and since it's like since it's kind of like French toast, some people would do that to it. That's up to you. That's your discretion. Whatever you want to do. But you have to admit, y'all, that this is one beautiful sandwich. And a great way to use up that leftover turkey. I think we ought to taste, don't you, Teresa?
Of course.
Look at that beautiful golden brown turkey. I mean, bread. That is so good. So I gave you the basics for my Monte Cristo, but put the things that you like on it. If you like Swiss cheese, use Swiss. If you like mustard or grainy mustard, put mustard on it. It's all up to you. But I can tell you what, this combination ain't bad. So, let's get rid of the turkey. We're getting rid of it, honey. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.